Looking at the present scenario of marital relationships, moving on to the saturation point in a very short duration, if you closely look at most of these marriages where there is an important interdependency factor that is missing out. Interdependency is basically I am dependent on you performing certain family related roles, and you are dependent on me to complete certain roles, while most of the partners are like having their own independency, choosing to marry post 30 35 plus, and then having a well established careers, no time for others including your own partner, and then no interdependency. So a relationship to sustain needs an interdependency factor which helps them to kind of depend on each other rather than being too dependent or too independent may not really hold the relationship in the long run.